Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you actually can't change your gamer tag on Xbox One or Xbox 360 multiple times for free. Before that, this video is brought to you by the Life Made Easy podcast. So if I just switch over to screen record here, I'm going to be giving shout outs to all various subscribers who recently subscribed to the channel, guys. So go head over to Life Made Easy podcast, go give it a listen. I'd highly recommend it. So now if I could just bring myself back to the webcam. So guys, I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about how you can change your gamer tag like multiple times for free. I even made a video about this in the past. But guys, what I'm realizing is everyone's just lying, flat out just lying to you. You actually can't. You can change it once for free. So it's kind of clickbaity in some of the video titles. You can change it once for free. Xbox allows you to do that. It's basically like, oh, if you messed up the first time, you can switch it back and stuff like that. But after that, they charge you $9.99 every single time you want to change it. So would I recommend it? Maybe, yeah, if you screwed it up the first time, you want to change it and it's free. After that, no, I would not pay $10 just to change my Xbox gamer tag. I would just use it for the rest of my life because it's not that big of a deal. But guys, if I just switch over here, check this out. So if we go over here, and I just search like change Xbox One gamer tag for free unlimited. Just look at all these videos. Look at all these videos. Surprised I don't have one that pops up. But like look at this. Change your going over it. Change your Xbox gamer tag for free. Proof! Exclamation point. It's like, guys, no, you can't get this is not free. Oh, look, it's updated 2020, uploaded 2 months ago, 9.7 thousand views. Yeah, these videos get an absolute boat ton of views, especially this one. I watched this one right here, 85,000 views 3 months ago, and literally it's a troll video because you can't actually do it. Guys, this is the legit way to change your name for free. And when I mean free, I mean the first time. After that, they're going to charge you $9.99. You head over to this website, social.xbox.com/change gamer tag. I'll put this in the description if you guys want to go change yours. As you can see, my gamer tag is baseballbetter1. If you guys want to add me on Xbox, you can, or follow me. But yeah, it's simple. You just enter your new gamer tag and you check availability. And then for me, I've never changed it, so it's obviously not going to charge me for it. But say I already did this, it's going to charge me $9.99. Do I want to do that? Heck no. Why would I change it when I could just keep my same name? Or I could change it once for free. Would I change it after that? No, I'm not paying Xbox money just to change my name. Oh, let me go back here. There's no reason for it. There's literally no reason for it. So guys, don't fall for this scam. It's literally all just a big hoax. You can change it once for free and that's it. Those are the facts. If you don't believe me, go on Xbox's website and try it out. I guess the only other way you could do this is creating an alternate account, but that's not what people are talking about. And you could also do it by glitching the system, but I wouldn't get involved with that kind of stuff. It's messed up. So yeah, guys, don't listen to those kinds of videos. They're not real, they're not truthful, and they're not actually very helpful. So as I said, you can change it once for free. After that, they're going to charge you $9.99. So yeah, this can be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all found it useful. So if you haven't already, head over to Life Made Easy podcast. We just uploaded a new video on Star Wars: The Clone Wars. That was a really fun episode to film. And we appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me over there. I'm also going to be streaming on Gaming Made Easy. All these links are down below. Streaming on Gaming Made Easy, doing some Battlefront live streams. We're almost at 1,000 subs on that channel, so thank you guys so much for the support. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy.